If you have ever wished your project management and development workflow could talk to each other seamlessly, then this video is exactly what you need today. I am breaking down how to integrate Jira with GitHub in a clean, efficient, and fully updated workflow. By the end of this guide, you will have both platforms connected and syncing automatically. So let's get straight into it. First, open Jira and head over to the Your Work section. Think of this area as your personal command center. This is where all your tasks, issues, and project activities come together. So starting here gives you a clear view of what you'll be connecting to GitHub. Next, select the specific project you want to integrate. This step is critical. Choosing the correct project ensures that every commit, pull request, and branch in GitHub maps to the right Jira issue. If you manage multiple projects, double check you're inside the one you actually want to sync. Once inside your project, look at the left-hand sidebar and scroll down to find project settings. From there, navigate to the toolchain section. This is the backend area where Jira handles all external integrations. Accessing toolchain lets you control exactly how your development tools communicate with your Jira environment. Now, you'll add the actual integration. Look for GitHub for Jira and select it. Then click Get It Now. This installs the official integration app into your Jira account, which is what enables real-time linking between issues and GitHub activity. After installation, Jira will prompt you to authenticate your GitHub account. This part matters. Make sure you authorize the correct GitHub account and repository access. Proper permissions are essential because without them, Jira won't be able to read commit messages, track branches, or sync pull requests. Once you are connected, it's time to verify everything is working. The best way to test the integration is by making a small commit in GitHub that references a Jira issue key, something like ABC-12 update login logic. If the integration is successful, you will immediately see the commit appear inside that Jira issue. This confirms your systems are now fully synced. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Jira with GitHub using the latest workflow. This setup will save you hours every week, reduce manual updates, and keep your entire team aligned. If this guide helped, make sure to stay tuned for more simplified tech tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.